Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Today, I'm Friska Andini as moderator at Zoom Media Judge at this meeting. The leader judge is Yesitania Yolanda. The first judge is Susi Susanti, and the second judge is Puspa Purnamasari. The topics of this meeting is the conflict of Rohingya discrimination in Myanmar, which presentation by Yesitania Yolanda. But before that, I would like to explain the history of the conflict of Rohingya discrimination in Myanmar. The Rohingya ethnicity is a Muslim minority who live in the area of Myanmar, precisely in the Arakan province on the northwest side of Myanmar bordering Bangladesh, and is now known as the Rakhine of Rakhine province. After Myanmar's independence, namely during the leadership of General Aung San, the Rohingya became one of the ethnic groups that had a role in Myanmar government. In 1962, when General Ne Win staged a coup d'etat until Ne Win finally succeeded in becoming president of Myanmar, Myanmar's political system changed to become more authoritarian. Conflict that often arise in Myanmar involve ethnic groups. Many factors become the initial trigger of this protective conflict, ranging from case of rape, discrimination against minority citizens, and the issue of ethnic entities. Discriminatory treatment of the Rohingya is partly due to their different status. One of the roots of the conflict is the status of the Rohingya, who are still considered illegal immigrants in Myanmar. The Myanmar government also does not recognize and does not grant citizenship status to them because they consider this Muslim group not to be an ethnic group that existed in Myanmar before Myanmar's independence. Another cause of the conflict is the jealousy of the Rakhine ethnic group toward the Rohingya because the Rohingya Muslim population in recent years has continued to increase. This conflict culminated in July 2012. The climax of this conflict was marked by the massive burning of houses inhabited by the Rohingya ethnicity and attacked by both ethnic groups. Many parties criticized the conflict. This was because Myanmar at that time was undergoing that the Myanmar government has systematically discriminated against the Rohingya ethnicity, which has caused the Rohingya ethnic suffering to never end. But some parties also do not blame the Myanmar government as the cause of the conflict. Well, that's history of our topic today. Next, I would like to say that on these meetings, there are also pro and contra. So I allow for the judges topic to explain what would you like to say at this activity. Please for the judges to confirm.
Okay, thanks. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. UN shall on the Rohingya conflict in Myanmar with the agenda of reading the legal opinion of each country and reading the verdict on the Rohingya conflict in Myanmar. Discrimination is an attitude of internationally distinguishing between groups related to certain intents. These distinguishing are usually based on region, ethnicity, and race. Discrimination tends to be carried out by majority group against the minority group. When person is treated unfairly because of the characteristics of ethnicity, intergroup, gender, race, region, and belief, political sex, physical condition, or the other characteristics that are suspected to be the basis of the act of discrimination. The Rohingya is a minority group living in Myanmar. This ethnic group has expressed discrimination and harassment by the Myanmar Army, police, and other ethnic in Myanmar. Okay, next, for Judge Wang, please make a stage present.
Thank you. The President Judge next is to announce the presence of state delegation that followed the thread of this discussion of an international relation regards the issues of Ethiopian in March. The atrocious process incurred out in an accusation the name of the country that the charges maintains, and the judge will con the accusation only 2 times. If there is such does no list when the indistant weakness of this not answered, the instinctors absent and can connect practice in the trial. Immediately the answers of country delegation, Argentina.
Yes, present.
Next, Australia.
Yes, present.
Next, Bangladesh.
Yes, present.
Next, Belgium.
Yes, present.
Next, Bosnia.
Yes, present.
Next, Brunei Darussalam.
Yes, present.
Next, Cambodia.
Present.
Next, Canada.
Yes, present.
Next, China.
Yes, present.
Next, Denmark.
Present.
Next, Mesir.
Yes, present.
Next, Prancis.
Present.
Next, Gambia.
Yes, present.
Next, Germany. Germany.
Yes, present.
Okay. Next, India. Next, India. Next, Indonesia.
Yes, present.
Next, Iran.
Yes, present.
Next, Italy. Sorry.
Yes, present.
Next, Iraq.
Yes, present.
Next, Italy.
Present.
Next, Japan.
Yes, present.
Next, Lebanon.
Yes, present.
Next, Malaysia.
Yes, present.
Next, Maldives.
Yes, present.
Next, Myanmar. Once again, Myanmar. Next, Nepal.
Yes, present.
Next, New Zealand.
Yes, present.
Next, Pakistan.
Yes, present.
Next, Panama.
Present.
Next, Philippines.
Yes, present.
Next, Qatar.
Yes, present.
Next, Saudi Arabia.
Yes, present.
Next, Senegal.
Yes, present.
Next, Singapore.
Yes, present.
Next, Thailand. Thailand. Next, Turkey.
Present.
Next, United States of America.
Yes, present.
Next, United Arab Emirates.
Yes, present.
Next, Venezuela.
Yes, present.
Next, Vietnam.
Yes,
Next, next, Yemen. Yemen. Will a representative of the state's delegation hang up or discuss and review? Next, I read it to the president just to just
Okay, thank you. Next, the submission of legal opinion of each country will which be led to member judges.
Thank you, the presiding judge. Next is the submission of legal opinions from each country's delegation who attend the trial. The procedure for presenting legal opinion is carried out sequentially according to the name of country mentioned by the judge, and the submission of legal opinion is a maximum of 2 minutes per state delegation. The first to submit a legal opinion is Argentina. Please go to the Argentina country to submit a legal opinion.
Okay, thank you for opportunity. On 18 August, in a court in downtown Buenos Aires, Argentina, 6 women made history in the Rohingya. Long struggle for justice. For the first time anywhere in the world, Rohingya, victim of the decades-long genocide work by Myanmar, were allowed to testify in a court of law. The women who died from their current homes in refugee camps in Cox's Bazar, Bangladesh, spoke of how they had been victims of sexual violence by soldiers in Champagne, Rakhine State in 2017. For Rohingya and people in Myanmar anywhere who have suffered of the hands of the military, it was a momentous occasion. Thanks to the symbolism was the fact that the hearing took place just 1 week before 25 August, the 4th anniversary of the brutal clearance of operation in 2017, when the Tatmadaw Myanmar military and its proxies killed thousands and drove close to 800,000 Rohingya to flee into Bangladesh. The hearing, of course, also took place little more than 6 months after the Tatmadaw's call on the 1st February, and as such was significant not just to address crimes of the past, but also violation by the same military still happening this very day in Myanmar. The court hearing was part of the universal jurisdiction case brought by the Burmese Rohingya Organization UK to Argentina in November 2019. We have written about our dedication to petition for universal jurisdiction case in Argentina for opinions before, as well as how the case has proved through Argentina judiciary. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thanks for legal opinion. Next, Australia.
Okay, thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Muhammad Muhammadul Ihsan Pasmawan from Australia. In this case, I will give the response of the state of Australia to the Rohingya conflict. As we know, the Rohingya conflict in Myanmar is an ethnic conflict, which is basically an ethnic issue which in political life is seen as the end. In general, the conflict here is broken out by various protected disappointment in the national state. Ethnic movement emerged which propose various kind of politic, at least to get attention and autonomy maximum to be founded on the basis of their ethnic group. The resulting Rohingya crisis is the largest humanitarian emergency in our region, with more than 900,000 Rohingya refugees in need of assistance in Cox's Bazar, Bangladesh, and more than 530,000 remaining in Myanmar, Rakhine State. Many of them are women and children who are survivors of sexual and gender-based violence, have lost family members, and have no means to support the most basic human needs without international assistance. Australia is deeply concerned by the deteriorating situation in Myanmar and the ongoing condemnation of human rights and violation of international law by the military regime, including against the Rohingya and other minority. Australia is committed to international effort to pursue responsibility for the crime and atrocity committed in Myanmar. The regime tenacity to date has made this effort even more critical. We call on countries to cooperate with accountability mechanism for Myanmar, consistent with international obligation, We support the military regime to create conditions that allow for the voluntary, safe, dignified, and sustainable return of Rohingya and other displaced persons, especially women and girls. Australia is focused on the plight of the Rohingya and affected community in Bangladesh and Myanmar. Our 17 million US dollar of humanitarian assistance provide emergency supply to Rakhine State and food shelter, clean water, and essential health service to Cox's Bazar. Our support priority to the needs of women and children who remain vulnerable to violence and exploitation, including trafficking. We thank UN agency and NGO for their tireless work in the face of difficult on the ground and reiterate the need for full, unhindered humanitarian access. Thank you.
Okay, thanks for legal opinion. Next, Bangladesh.
Country representative of Bangladesh. In August 1978, Bangladesh had received manifest of refugees, and in the following years, it continued to increase. This research program showed that Bangladesh must be wise in manage Rohingya refugees to national security. Bangladesh cannot turn a blind that the Rohingya are in need of humanitarian assistance to protect from Myanmar's operation. Bangladesh's problem with the continuous arrival of Rohingya to Bangladesh. Bangladesh is based on sympathy and empathy. Solidarity among Bangladesh Muslims must help fellow Muslims. Bangladesh continued to implement a postpaid policy Rohingya to their country of origin. Myanmar, after the MOU, signed the government of Bangladesh and Myanmar. Bangladesh take the discussion to implement a postpaid policy toward refugees and continue to seek bilateral negotiation with the government of Myanmar so that the reparation program can be realized. Done. Thank you.
Okay, thanks for legal opinion. Next, Belgium. Hello, Belgium.
Belgium remains concerned about the situation of the Rohingya refugees and hopes a solution on comfort and without delay following a requisition and through of home safe the sustainable environment. The Rohingya States report on the very is common private imported recommendation and need to the accounts to enable people of to rent home life set by set in peace. Meanwhile, the unique access of humanitarian workers to refugees and IDPs is very important. My country recommend and extraordinary solidarity and humanitarian support profit by Bangladesh and of the Rohingya and thanks the from providing refugees as safe haven. As a non-permanent member of the Security and Council, Belgium continue on the seat keeping the important issue of the multilateral agenda. Belgium wishes to draw education to the thing on Rohingya women and girls and the importance of humanitarian access to take into accounting their gender-specific needs, including the protection against gender-based influence and trafficking in person. In education, women and need the big victory involved in the cases making. Belgium will remain a story support of international humanitarian organization. In this context, Belgium has allowed almost 200 million euro in 2020 humanitarian organization include the UNICEF Station, State Central Emergency Person of CREF, UNHCR, WXP, OCXI, IOA. To answer a post-excavation humanitarian response of various actions of significant part Belgium support the organization is called as South the alarm humanitarian actor to us of actionable but need, including in addressing Rohingya refugee crisis. Belgium intend to continue a strong humanitarian community in 2024. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for legal opinion. Next, Bosnia.
Thank you for attention. Legal opinion state of Bosnia and Herzegovina. Legal basis regarding the case above, the state of Bosnia bases its argument on Article 9 of the Genocide Convention. Legal opinion. Bosnia-Herzegovina based its argument on Article 9 of the Genocide Convention, which, according to Bosnia, assigns responsibility to the state at 3 levels. 1. The government of Bosnia and Herzegovina is of the opinion that a state can be considered guilty of genocide if the state official or agent of the state commits the crime of genocide as defined in Article 2 of the Convention, of if it commits any of the actions mentioned in Article 3 of the Convention. 2. The government of Bosnia and Herzegovina emphasized that a state can be considered guilty of grave violation of its obligation as regulation in Article 1, 4, 5, and 6 of the Convention if it file active the origins in an instrument of the domestic legal system to prohibit and prevent individuals from committing acts of genocide. 3. The government of Bosnia is of the opinion the state commit acts of wrongdoing under Article 1 and 4 of the Convention when it failed to prosecute and punish individuals who committed of the genocide. Inference. The human rights violation of the occurred in the Rohingya have aroused the sense of humanity of many parts, not recognizing the Rohingya as a part of the ethnic list in Myanmar is an attempt to negate the human rights of citizens who have lived for generations in this part of the country. The action that is more worrying is alleged physical confrontation in the form of a military operation that alleged killed hundreds of innocent civilians. As part of the citizen of the nation, Myanmar as a country has international obligation that must be fulfilled. On the other hand, if the national legal mechanism is deemed inadequate to provide legal protection for victims and profit to preparation of human rights violation, the international legal mechanism can be applied to Myanmar. Thank you.
Okay, thanks for legal opinion. Next, Barunei Darussalam.
Okay, the human rights violation that occurred in the Rohingya have moved our humanity. The non-recognition of the Rohingya ethnicity as part of the ethnic list in Myanmar is an attempt to negate human rights which have lived for generations in this part of the country. This action was followed up by not granting the Rohingya ethnic citizenship status. In fact, effort to eliminate identity by not recognition the name Rohingya by the Myanmar government can be categorized as a systematic effort to eliminate certain ethnic identity. The action that is more worrying is the alleged physical confrontation in the form of a military operation allegedly damaging innocent civilians. The physical confrontation that took place has triggered a wave of Rohingya refugees to several countries. As part of the citizen of the nation, Myanmar as a country currently has international obligation that must be fulfilled in it can deny international law which has been recognized, adopt, and participate in various countries. As a sovereign country, Myanmar does have the right to resolve its own domestic problem through its legal mechanism. However, in order to maintain objectivity toward the statement carried out independently by Myanmar, it is mandatory to have access to information and the existence of a monitoring agency from international institutions. On the other hand, if the national legal mechanism is deemed inadequate to provide legal protection for victims and provide recognition to perpetrators of human rights violation, that
then the international legal mechanism can be applied to Myanmar. Violence against minority is also one of the barriers to democracy. We specifically request the leader eliminate violence against minority group and provide opportunity for them to operate freely. What is very concerning, many state leaders exert political pressure for the interests of their group. We must strengthen democracy to remove such pressure. Thank you.
Okay, thanks for the legal opinion. Next, Cambodia.
Thank you for opportunity. Cambodia does not agree that the conflict is international problem of Myanmar, but Cambodia consider in the international problem the correct assistance from the other countries in the resolution. Cambodia is the work in the new effort organizer Myanmar dispute and humanitarian goal. The crisis side is willing to address the cases. Crisis in the military-run country, Cambodia want to urge Myanmar military rules to facility to help provide humanitarian assistance to Myanmar people most in need. The Rohingya issue is now an important international issue. More than 1 million Rohingya people have been displaced in the Bangladesh due to genocide and ethnic cleansing in Myanmar. A particular focus is needed to on Asian leaders to resolve the Rohingya refugee problem. Cambodia's strength in the ASEAN provide a great opportunity to facilitate the repatriation of the Rohingya people who are seeking refuge in the Bangladesh to Myanmar. In this case, Cambodia in arbiter, Cambodia has very warm relation with the Myanmar and Bangladesh. In this regard, Cambodia can play holistic, significant, and strategic roles. Cambodia can support Bangladesh at every international forum such as at UNGA and regional conference. They can vote in favor of Bangladesh. They can negotiate with the Myanmar diplomatical and bilaterally. If they has got bilateral relation with the Myanmar, Cambodia can engage with the other Asian states to solve the crisis. Cambodia Buddhist social can play and effective in the regard Cambodia Burma repression. Thank you from.
Okay, thanks for the legal opinion. Next, Canada.
Yes, thank you. The Rohingya crisis and the political, security, humanitarian, and economic crisis that followed the February 2021 military coup in Myanmar continue to affect millions of people in Myanmar and Bangladesh. Canada is committed to maintaining a leadership role to help uphold sustainable peace and security, democracy, human rights, and accountability. Canada will continue to help support Rohingya refugees, host communities in Bangladesh, and the people of Myanmar most affected by the crisis. Canada's strategies to respond to the Rohingya and Myanmar crisis. Canada has dedicated $2,088 million to the new phase of the strategy over 3 years. The Canadian government is stepping up the call for justice for Myanmar and both ethnic Rohingya population. The Canadian government announced a series of measures to respond to the Rohingya crisis, include supporting a referral to the International Criminal Court (ICC) and measures to preserve evidence of the Myanmar military denounced crime against Rohingya Muslims in Rakhine State. The expert emphasized an holistic approach to justice for the Rohingya, including but not limited to process such as the current dispute in the International Court of Justice (ICJ) and the situation under investigation by the International Criminal Court (ICC) in the case of the Rohingya. Crucial elements of justice include recognition of the group as well as inclusion of the perception of the victim, and particularly women. This is particularly relevant in judicial process such as that of the ICJ, where the Rohingya, as a non-state group and as individuals, have no official legal standing. Thank you.
Okay, thanks for the legal opinion. Next, China.
Okay, thanks. Ladies and gentlemen, China legal opinion. Economic policy Under the reign of China President Xi Jinping, 2015 President Xi Jinping implemented the One Belt, One Road foreign policy, which announced at the end of 2013. President Xi Jinping has a vision to carry out infrastructure development to connect China area with country. This is intended to be able to develop the economic in the China border area by connecting the area with Europa, Central Asia. This call it the New Silk Road economic belt. Is one of the pillar of China foreign policy in the South Asia region. Invest include the three Asian countries. For example, Yunnan province, which is direct to Myanmar, Laos, and Vietnam. Prioritas inter-region transportasi connected with ASEAN country. Policy is considered to have potential for the growth of the China trade and the strategy natural research, especially in the Myanmar. China has built energy access point that make it to ship crude oil and natural gas from Myanmar, and energy reserve by Myanmar have the potential of facility China industry in the production and distribution China and China economic income. Political foreign policy. The Xi Jinping administration has a different system from the administration. President Xi Jinping foreign policy for the culture of peace, the bilateral and multilateral cooperation. The foreign policy by President Xi Jinping is more emphasis on traditional culture from generation to generation. The main goal of China foreign policy is to prioritize mutual interest and progress in cooperation. With their cooperation and stability, China hopes then in cooperation and in influence and country their cooperation with China. The benefit can still be felt by country. China foreign policy prioritas cooperation with countries around the world, including developing countries. In this, China indisciplined country in the defending its country. This form of is one of the China foreign policy. Is the case China not the interfere Myanmar domestic problem in the Rohingya issue? Thanks.
Okay, China, thank you for the legal opinion. Next, Denmark.
I said that I support his spirit due to the conflict between Rohingya and the Myanmar government. The conflict is caused by cultural discrimination, social inequality, and citizenship is not recognized by the Myanmar government. The Myanmar government effort to expel the Rohingya community by carrying out violence and human rights violence. Even many Rohingya people were killed during the conflict. The survivors in the end give birth to an attempt to save themselves. Many countries are also concerned about the condition of Rohingya people, hoping that the United Nations can have follow-up on the conflict because Myanmar has committed human rights violence for the entire Rohingya community. Countries that feel concerned try to help the Rohingya community, especially Muslim countries, starting from accepting Rohingya refugees and making donation. Denmark provides assistance in the form of donation for children in Rohingya. Until now, the conflict between Myanmar and the Rohingya has not been resolved. Many Rohingya people are still fleeing to several countries. The community still feels it is not safe to return to their homeland before change to the law and official recognition that Rohingya are recognized by Myanmar. When will the United Nations approve a resolution on human rights violence against Rohingya, Muslim, and other Rohingya ethnic minorities? Resolution with effort to protect all Rohingya people and ensure justice for all victims of human rights violence. The UN resolution was adopted by 134 countries from 193 member countries. 9 other countries did not agree and 28 other abstained. Although the PBB resolution is not legally binding, it can reflect world opinion. Thank you.
Okay, thanks for the legal opinion. Next, Egypt. Hello, Egypt. Hello, Egypt.
Yes, thank you. This inhuman incident will not have happened if the international consent had not died. All international agreements made to protect human rights and the safety of a nation are only on paper. Even the armed lies, just of course will not do any good for the Rohingya Muslim in the face of a sadist genocide, the rampant use of the nature of wild animals in the wilderness. Likewise, the calls that have been made by international humanitarian organizations to save the Rohingya Muslim from the Myanmar army and government have been in vain. This international organization will take a different firm and swift stance if the opposed group is a Jew, Christian, Buddhist, or other of a religion other than Muslim. We have tried to bring together the parts of the conflict and bring the opposing views together in Rohingya. It is the first step to path the issue on the road to peace, but some leaders in Myanmar have underestimated our effort and called with an extremist from the regime junta to carry out an extremist that will be a direct record from Myanmar and will not be erased by time. Egypt states that all parties pay attention that is keen of crime is the strong factor to the emergence of terrorism crime that afflict Muslims around the world. Myanmar countries, with the figure of a leader holding the Nobel Prize in the hand, but the other hand giving his blessing to all the efforts to make peace is run away in the wind. To my brother and sister in Rohingya, to continue to fight against this brutal attack, Egypt is with you and will not let you down. Allah is the one who helps you. Amen. Thank you for Egypt state.
Okay, thank you for the legal opinion. Next, friends.
Thank you for the opportunity. I am from France delegation. The Myanmar government refuses to recognize the Rohingya ethnicity and says the Rohingya are native to Myanmar. The Rohingya Muslim migrated to Myanmar in the 8th century, but the Myanmar government considers the Rohingya Muslim as illegal immigrant from Bangladesh. Brutal attack on Rohingya Muslim have killed at least hundreds of Rohingya Muslim. Based on United data, more than 4,200 Rohingya have crossed from Rakhine into Bangladesh. The refugees fled a new security operation in which security forces and Buddhist mob killed men, women and children, looted homes and burned Rohingya village, while thousands of other Rohingya Muslims chose to flee Myanmar. The decision followed years of government purge of Rohingya Muslim. The French government asked Myanmar to protect all civilians without exception, including Rohingya Muslim. French President Emmanuel Macron said Myanmar military assault against the Rohingya was genocide. Macron's use of the word genocide has been his strongest rebel attack on military operation against the Rohingya. He urged the United Nations to act urgently to end violence against ethnic minorities in Myanmar. France will work with its partner in the Security Council to take initiative for the United Nations to condemn content, genocide, and ethnic cleansing, or to help resolve so-called ethnic cleansing. In addition, French citizens condemned the massacre of Rohingya Muslims in Myanmar and supported the Rohingya Muslim minorities to get their rights as citizens. They oppose discrimination and all violence against this ethnic minority. Thank you. I think that's enough.
Okay, thanks for the legal opinion. Next, Gambia.
the legal opinion of the Gambia states. In November 2019, we asked a Muslim country in Africa, Gambia, pressed Myanmar's appeal to the International Court The Hague on charge of genocide. We have proposed the case by a Muslim majority country in West Africa in the name of dozens of other Muslim countries. We humanly accuse Myanmar of murder, psychical and mental damage, of causing the condition that cause physical destruction, coercion on birth control, and forced transfer of minorities. The action of the people of Myanmar, according to the lawsuit, are genocidal as well or in fact to destroy the Rohingya. What we ask Gambia state as is that the court order Myanmar to stop these vicious murders, stop barbarians that they continue to shake our collective consciousness, to stop the genocide against their own people. We argued the case after Abu Bakar as a minister of Justice Gambia beside the Rohingya refugee camp in Bangladesh and heard about the murders, rape and torture. Minister Gambia Abu Bakar, who delivered the case at ECG, said that what's happening in the field was worse than seen on television. That the military and civilian organized systematic attack on Rohingya, burning houses, kidnapping babies from the arms of mothers, and throwing them on them, collecting and executing men, women, being gang raped and sexually abused. Thank you.
Okay, thanks for the legal opinion. Next, Germany.
Okay, thanks for the opportunity. Since August 2017, Rohingya refugees, mostly children and women, have fled Myanmar and crossed into Bangladesh for a crackdown on the Muslim minority community. Sigmar Gabriel, German foreign minister, visited the Rohingya refugees camp in Bangladesh and expressed the concern in the situation in Rakhine State and support State Councillor Aung San Suu Kyi to do more assistance to resolve the conflict. Germany support the proposal made by Kofi Annan Commission, noting the conflict is a huge burden and Bangladesh accommodate its large refugees population. Germany will provide additional 15 million euro for education and sanitation measure to help Rohingya refugees living in Bangladesh and the communities on the host them. With the latest contribution, Germany opened WFP Bangladesh a total 30 million euros since the start of the Rohingya refugees crisis in 2017. With this, the Germany ministry also stressed that Europe must now seriously consider imposing future sanctions taking into account human rights violations, such as visas or trade sanctions against Myanmar. With this, the German parliament also continues emphasizes that the Myanmar government can immediately grant citizenship, right, political right, and Rohingya Muslim community. Okay, so much from me for your attention. Thank you.
Okay, thanks for the legal opinion. Next, India. Hello, India. Sorry, India, your voice are not heard. Sorry, India. Hello. Your voice are not heard. Sorry, India, because your voice is not heard, you will be called at the end of the legal opinion. Next, Indonesian.
Thank you. Indonesia saw its role and saw itself to care in helping to deal with ethnic Rohingya issue because the outline of Indonesian region policy is based on the 1945 Constitution, which is to maintain world peace and eternal peace based on social justice. Indonesia strongly condemn Myanmar action of ethnic canceling and discrimination against its Rohingya ethnic. The act of discrimination and violence received by the Rohingya have caused them to carry out an exodus to neighboring countries. Indonesia itself received immigration from ethnic Rohingya apart from Malaysia and Bangladesh. Indonesia is a country with a population of 271 million people. With such a large population coupled with the arrival of Rohingya immigrants, of course, it will pose various economic and security that will be faced by Indonesia. Therefore, to prevent this from happening, Indonesia take part in the problem of the Rohingya ethnic. The government took the foreign minister in collaboration with civil society have provided humanitarian assistance in the form of clothing, sleeping equipment, water reservoir, food, and tent to accommodate refugees against the Rohingya ethnic, but those who have fled to Bangladesh and to its in the Rakhine region. Apart from the Ministry of Health and Science, aid in the form of 1 ton of medical for which we said the collaboration between the foreign minister and civil society is headed by two major Islam organizations in Indonesia, Muhammadiyah and Nahdlatul Ulama. The main objective of this collaboration is for the government to remain involved in Rohingya issue, although it doesn't have much influence on Myanmar policy in the Rakhine region and pave a way for Indonesian non-governmental organizations to take part in helping to Rohingya in the form of humanitarian assistance. Not only providing humanitarian assistance, Indonesia also carry out diplomat with the Myanmar government by offering solution to the Myanmar government and alluding to the issue of Rohingya in international forum. This enjoying the call Indonesia humanitarian alliance effort in Myanmar, which has the text helping the humanitarian crisis in Myanmar. AKIM has a humanitarian assistance for sustainable community work program for Myanmar. Thank you.
Okay, thanks for the legal opinion. Next, Iran.
Yes, based on the discussion, we, the Iranian government, asked the Myanmar government to recognize the right of minority groups. The Muslim community is an inseparable part of the state, and civil rights must be recognized. We also use Muslim countries, international organization, and Organization of Islamic Cooperation to take serious steps to stop the violence. We affirm that Rohingya Muslims are the target of widespread and organized attacks by the Myanmar military and Buddhist extremists. Thousands of people from Myanmar oppressed Muslims have been killed and injured in a new wave of military and Buddhist violence in the country, while hundreds of thousands more have been displaced. Unfortunately, until now, there has been no effective action from the international community and human rights defenders to prevent organized killing and genocide, which are clear examples of war crimes and widespread violence of human rights. We also strongly condemn the mass raids of the Rohingya Muslim minority. We hold the Myanmar government accountable for the continuation of this horrific event. We also demand that international institutions, especially the United Nations Security Council and world governments, carry out their responsibilities by taking effective steps based on the international principle and law, as well as humanitarian and divine duties to end this bitter event. Thank you.
Okay, thanks for the legal opinion. Next, Iraq.
Okay. I'm Pita Abzari, representative of the country of Iraq. Allow me to respond according to the Rohingya case. Crime against humanity experienced by the Rohingya in the form of forcible expulsion or transfer of population. Forcible expulsion here by carrying out system action as follows. 1. Rohingya ethnicity is not recognized as a citizen of Myanmar. In principle, every country is free to determine whether a person is a citizen or not. There are principles that can be used by the state to determine whether a person is a citizen or not. Namely, the usually principle is the person citizenship is determined based on his place of birth, and the usually principle is the person's citizenship is determined based of his second or his parents. There is prohibition and practice religion. There is a declaration of the right of person belonging to minority group based on nationality, ethnicity, religion, and language. This declaration describes the protection of the state against the extension and identity of nationality, ethnicity, culture, religion, and minorities as well as the right of minorities. Number 3, the existence of discrimination treatment against ethnic Rohingya in international conventions such as the International Convention on the Elimination of All Forms of Racial Discrimination in 1965 and the International Convention on Civil and Political Rights in 1966. Is possible protection of freedom without discrimination. Article 5 in the International Convention of the Elimination of All from the Racial Discrimination in 1965. Forcible exclusion of transfer of population in Article 7, paragraph 2, letter C of the Rome Statute explain the exclusion or forcible transfer of population means the forcible transfer of people by means of expulsion, the corporate measure from the area that they live legally without being given a reason permitted by international law. The word forced here is not only limited to physical coercion, but can be in the from the there of filial or which can be provide physical pressure. So it's very clear that in this case it violates human rights and the treatment carried
out by the government in Myanmar against the Rohingya is crime of genocide. So I ask the representative of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs from the country of Iraq express my rejection and unequivocal condemnation of the crime and atrocity committed by the government authorities in Myanmar against the Rohingya Muslim minority in the Western Iraq province in the country. That's all from the country of Iraq.
Okay, thanks for the legal opinion. Next, Italy.
The preference provides in additional the million, the one in the Rohingya Muslim living the Bangladesh and the Myanmar. Camps in the Bangladesh southern district or the desert according to the media reports. Italy provides the ministry request to announce the commitment with visiting and the Prime Minister Salih Hasina. In addition to the starring assistant, Italy provides millions for the Rohingya challenge, throat and the refuge. UNHCR said the Insan Karim Hasina the peace secretary according to Bangladesh and her news agency. For this part, the country launched the Bangladesh Superhuman Endeavor to host the over the millions Rohingya the film the procession in Myanmar over the losing the decides mostly after massive the golden end August 17 on 20. According to Amnesty International, more than Rohingya refugees, most of women in Myanmar and force launched the crackdown on the military Muslim community in August 2017. The moving to the out of the prostitute people in the 40 to 1 million. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thanks for the legal opinion. Next, Japan.
Okay, thank you. Legal opinion from Japan. I as representative from Japan would like to convey a legal opinion to the Myanmar government. Since the United Nations role as a member of the G8, relation with other ASEAN countries as a special priority for Japan. The gross human rights violation committed by the Myanmar government against the ethnic Rohingya are crimes against humanity which are for exploitation. The action taken by Myanmar government against the ethnic Rohingya are included in human rights violation crimes against humanity. How the Rohingya experience discrimination and are not recognized by Myanmar government due to ethnic and religion difference with the majority ethnic group, indicate that there are several aspects of human rights violation that have been violated. Judging from the implementation and the have been violated. Is careful word. We can distinguish human rights into two categories and each has its own characteristic. Japan is the matter against the government of Myanmar immediately improve the humanitarian situation in Rohingya. This follows statement by the United Nations that found ethnic cleansing effort in the Rohingya. The Japanese government announced the provision of funds to Myanmar amounting to £2.2 million. The funds are distributed to help support the life of Muslim minority who have returned to Myanmar from Bangladesh. That my response as representative from Japan. Thank you.
Okay, thanks for the legal opinion. Next, Lebanon.
Okay, introduce me from the Lebanese representative. I would like to express our opinion on this issue. Sociologically, the action taken by Myanmar to the Rohingya ethnic group are very inhuman. The Rohingya people should have behaved like humans in general, but here, on the contrary, they are treated badly, such as acts of violence and discrimination by Myanmar based on the case carried out by Myanmar against the Rohingya ethnicity. If it is related to the national law that exists in our country, namely the state of Lebanon, then the action of the state of Myanmar are absolutely not justified in the national law of our country, which has been set in the Constitution of Lebanon, which is contained in Chapter 2 concerning right and the obligation of citizen in Article 7 to 10, including Article 7 concerning equality before the law, Article 8 concerning individual freedom is guaranteed and protected by law, Article 9 on freedom of conscience is absolute, Article 10 concerning free education as long as it does not conflict with public order and moral and does not interfere with the dignity of religion or life. Because the Rohingya ethnicity is not guaranteed some right by the Myanmar state, such as not being recognized for its citizenship, eliminate and limit the Rohingya ethnicity in them of the right to freely move and change place, the right to marry and have children, the right to education, the right to the business and trade, the right to freedom of belief and worship. Therefore, Myanmar's actions are completely against the existing constitution in our country. This our legal opinion on the action and violence that occurred in Myanmar is to state that Myanmar is found quality because Myanmar has indirectly committed the crime of genocide against one of the ethnic group in this country. This has been proven by his action which robbed the Rohingyas of their human right. Therefore, we suggest to the Assembly to pass a resolution on this case to suppress and stop the state of Myanmar again the Rohingya ethnicity. On the basis, we from the Lebanon state are pro on this issue. Thank you.
Okay, thanks for the legal opinion. Next, Malaysia.
Thank you, Majesty. I'm Bedia Chawati Putri, delegation from Malaysia. As a result of not recognizing Rohingya as citizen of Myanmar, the Rohingya ethnic community has experienced various forms of discriminatory treatment in various aspects. Discrimination against Rohingya in Myanmar, such as denial of citizen status, forced labor, arbitrary property confiscation, limit access to education and health, including anti-Rohingya and anti-Muslim propaganda, forced labor, restriction on movement, restriction on employment, prohibition of practicing teaching religions, and the non-recognition of the Rohingya as citizens of Myanmar. Ethnicities recognized as citizens are ethnic groups who have been in Myanmar for a long time before British colonial occupation in 1824. There are 135 ethnicities recorded. However, Rohingya are not included because they are considered ethnic Bengal, namely ethnic originating from Bangladesh. More than 6,700 Rohingya Muslim dead as a result of the violence, include 730 children under the age of 5 in the 1 month following the outbreak of violence in Myanmar on August. Thank you.
Okay, thanks for the legal opinion. Next, Maldives.
The Maldives government said in the statement, the Maldives condemned in the stronger term atrocious committed against the Rohingya Muslim community in Myanmar, and is deeply concerned by recent cycle of violence that has resulted in the death of dozens Rohingya Muslims and the displacement of several thousands. The Muslim minority Rohingya consists of suffer under systematic response and the United Nations, as is in the past, documented human rights abuses against this minority group in Myanmar. The Maldives believe that international community must as civilly as difficult to stop to bloodshed. The government of Maldives has decided to stop all trade relations with Myanmar until the Myanmar government take action to prevent atrocities. Maldives Revenue Minister Abdullah Shahid said he was summoned in the Reuters International Declaration at the ICC in support of Rohingya, the persecuted Muslim minority in Myanmar. This is an attempt to find accountability for Myanmar action against the Rohingya in line with the Desert Stack and the 2014 Islamic Summit on the Organization of Islamic Cooperation. The Republic of Maldives intends to expand in the support for even to seek accountability for acts of genocide prepared against the Rohingya people. He said the Rohingya decreased by the United Nations as the most precious people in the world have had fear of attacks since thousands were killed in the communal violence in 2012. Thank you.
Okay, thanks for the legal opinion. Next, Myanmar.
Thank you for the opportunity. First of all, the reason why our government does this to the Rohingya is because our government considers Rohingya as illegal immigrants who cross through Bangladesh border. The differences between language, religion, and physical condition is one of the reasons why our government does not acknowledge this ethnic. The reason of the removal was because our government did not consider Rohingya as one of the ethnic which existed in Myanmar before our independence. The citizenship law applied in Myanmar is Myanmar 1982 citizen law. There are three kinds of Myanmar citizen category according to this law. There are full citizenship, associate citizenship, and naturalized citizenship. Our government stipulated Rohingya as foreigner, which caused limited rights for Rohingya ethnic, such as existence of policy that limit their social rights. The social right restrictions include the limiting on the freedom to travel, the right to get married and have a family, the right to pray, as well as the policy to restrict access to education and health. Our conclusion is our government does not discriminate against the Rohingya because we only obey the laws that apply in our country. Thank you.
Okay, Myanmar, thanks for the legal opinion. Next, Nepal.
Okay, thank you for opportunity. My name is Aji Faridra from delegation Nepal. Regarding the Rohingya ethnic conflict in Myanmar, we from the Nepal delegation are of the opinion that there are about 300 Rohingya living in hastily built shelters in Kathmandu, many of whom live in Kapan. Other reports suggest that about 600 are scattered in Nepal, but reports on the exact number are almost impossible to come by. We asked the Myanmar should stop the violence. The Myanmar government should have handled this situation painfully and not always the army to attack the common people. What are the crimes of the women, children, the innocent people? They are not responsible. The recent statement from the Ministry of Home Affairs that Nepal has increased surveillance on its border to stop more Rohingya from entering the country after the Rohingya crisis in Myanmar because we cannot bear the crisis anymore. Nepal has not ratified the United Nations Convention on the Status of Refugees. He also did not formulate national law. In this case, the Tibetan and Bhutan refugees have, however, been granted refugee status on humanitarian ground in accordance with international standard established by the 1951 Convention relating to the status of refugees and its article. The Supreme Court has ordered the government to formulate a national refugees law, but no such law has been passed in the last 12 years. According to Article 2 and 7 of the Immigration Act 1992, foreign nationals are not allowed to enter Nepal without a visa and passport. Thank you.
Okay, thanks for the legal opinion. Next, New Zealand.
Okay, thank you for your opportunity. The New Zealand government is very concerned with the violence and humanitarian crisis in Rakhine State, and we continue to urge the Myanmar government to do all it can to safeguard to effect. The 15 minutes bilateral meeting on the sidelines of the Asian East Asia Singapore Summit was an opportunity to be openly by New Zealand, but our country increasing its willingness to help and help find solutions to problems. New Zealand will always take a stand on human rights issues and raise it consistently and consistent. So in this case, we are ready to help some refugees we have been successfully resettled in New Zealand and need urgently to make provision for special admission of Rohingya refugees. New Zealand's Prime Minister offered to help Myanmar's legal council in addressing the Rohingya crisis, and Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern said she was concerned and shared with the international community about the security and development of Rakhine State and the ongoing process of repatriating Rohingya, and also the New Zealand offered to help find solution. And New Zealand Prime Minister Ardern said she did not face any defense against the country that during the meeting, and that these were simple sharing on top of Rohingya crisis. That there is no doubt that the situation is complex, very complex. The state will also profit 8 million in aid to Myanmar and Bangladesh for the humanitarian crisis facing the Rohingya. Foreign Minister Nania Mahuta said on Monday that he would send 5 million to UN agencies and non-governmental organizations helping the Rohingya. This concert was confirmed by the Prime Minister of New Zealand. Thank you.
Okay, thanks for the legal opinion. Next, Pakistan.
Thank you for the opportunity. My legal opinion for the country. We consider that the action carried out by Myanmar to the Muslim Rohingya population are a form of human rights violation. Even in our opinion, is gross violation of human rights. The thing that underlies Myanmar to do this heinous act is because of the rule that the Rohingya Muslim population is an illegal and illegitimate population in the eyes of Myanmar law. Worse, in fact, if you look at Myanmar during the British colonial period, the Rohingya population is a resident who has population around 1.4 billion and have close the Buddhist communities in Myanmar. The reason for Myanmar treatment of this Rohingya population is based on the illegality of the Rohingya Muslim population and religious difference. But that does not rule out the possibility that we, a Pakistan state, will agree with that. We completely disagree with the action carried out by Myanmar state on the Rohingya Muslim population. As per our form of support for the Rohingya Muslim population, we provide shelter for the Rohingya Muslim population to avoid more and more victims of Myanmar heinous acts. Based on the information we got in 2009, there were 200,000 Rohingya Muslim residents who fled to our country, namely Pakistan. After that, we as Pakistan state have also formed a committee consisting of high-level ministers with a focus on the goal, namely to help the spiritual Muslim to provide effort, to provide assistance to their spiritual Muslim. Thank you.
Okay, thanks for the legal opinion. Next, Panama.
Okay, thank you. Myanmar is authorized area where rice meets, so the government shall protect any rice outside of Myanmar, and I think is the already answer. This is the case of Panama has transit status that bring together different races that mingle a sense of comfort and tranquility. Without in the invitation of the government or the original text of Panama as set on the Constitution of Panama. Chapter 17, a republic outer were established for the purpose of protecting the life. Chapter 19, there will be no no public or private freelike or discrimination based on race, breed, social class, disability, sex, religion, or political ideology. Chapter 5. All religion may be followed and form worship everly with no restriction other that respect for Christian moral and public order. Based on the Constitution of Panama, Myanmar country of in the violence of what the government of Panama, where the state of Panama is very protective of the rest of custom of everyone in justice and the action do not justice of the state of Myanmar because the state of Myanmar has committed crimes against the human rights. Therefore, the case that arisen in Myanmar must be solved immediately by punishing the human rights filter. If the government of the state of Myanmar is unable to effort justice against the perpetrator of crimes, just punishment of the perpetrator of this crime can be carried out through international mechanisms. Thank you.
Okay, thanks for the legal opinion. Next, Philippine.
Okay, thank you, Jace. I'm from the delegation Filipina. The Filipina rejects a UN Human Rights Council resolution to expand the mandate of the special reporter for on the human rights situation in Myanmar by 1 year, and calling on the displaced Rohingya refugees to be guaranteed their safety when they return to Rakhine. Because what happened in Rakhine, Myanmar was not as it was imagined and thought. He also did not mention that the Rohingya Muslims were victims of persecution and atrocities by the Myanmar military. The Philippines passed a resolution to the Myanmar government to lift the curfew in Rakhine and ensure the freedom, safety, and security of all without discrimination. In addition, the Myanmar government is urged to provide safe and indirect and sustainable humanitarian access to UN agencies and their partner and other domestic and international non-governmental organizations. The resolution also recognizes the Myanmar government effort to prepare for the voluntary return of Rohingya refugees and the Myanmar military's fair administration of the extrajudicial killing of 10 Rohingya village in northern Rakhine, and the Filipinos will calling on the displaced Rohingya refugees to be guaranteed their safety open return to Rakhine, but the Filipinos will continue to provide support for the profit of humanitarian aid and urge the international community to further assist Myanmar and Bangladesh. Thank you.
Okay, thanks for the legal opinion. Next, Qatar.
Okay, thanks, Judge, for the time. I am from Qatar. Our country, Qatar, is an emirate which located on a small peninsula in West Asia. As an Islamic country, of course, our country highly respects for human rights. Inseparable from the humanitarian problems that exist the ethnic minority in Myanmar, namely the Rohingya. It is clear that Qatar, as an Islamic state, also opposes and condemns all actions that are annihilating a group of enemies being called Rohingya Muslims. As an Islamic state, Qatar is also committed to protecting its Muslim brothers and sisters, such as the Rohingya. In addition, on this noble occasion, our King Sheikh Tamim also requests that we discuss to blockade that hit Qatar and the humanitarian effect on the Qatari nation in particular, or the nation of the Gulf countries in general. That every country should provide entry and exit access for refugees who do not have a place to live. Therefore, we, the state of Qatar, hereby strongly condemn and strongly oppose the behavior of the Myanmar government and military for this crime against humanity. Please, if the presiding judge considers our opinion, thank you.
Okay, thanks for the legal opinion. Next, Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia legal opinion on the conflict between the Rohingya and Myanmar. Namely, Saudi Arabia agrees that Myanmar discriminated against the Rohingya. The conflict is caused by cultural discrimination, social intellectual, and the Myanmar government does not recognize it. The Myanmar government effort to expel the Rohingya community by means of violence and human rights violations. In fact, many Rohingya people died during the conflict. They survived in the and fled and attempted to save themselves. The Kingdom of Saudi Arabia pays great attention to the crisis that befell Rohingya Muslims because it is based on religious obligation and humanitarian solidarity. The situation of the Rohingya minority is one of the most important issues of the great conflict on the kingdom. The head of the Humanitarian Rights Department of the Permanent UN Delegation indicated the formation of an emergency social for the people of Myanmar to take immediate coordinated action, included cutting off the flow of refugees and waves to the military junta. Among the other steps, Saudi Arabia called on the international community to take immediate action to stop efforts against the Rohingya military in Myanmar. The head of the Human Rights Department of the Permanent UN Delegates in Kevin effort concurred at reports of gross violations of human rights and international humanitarian law. This includes Arabia addressed excess of the force against slavery and murder, and also concurred about the delay in the delivery of humanitarian aid to those affected by the conflict. The head of the Humanitarian Rights Department of the Permanent UN Delegation in Defect referred in the Kingdom call to insert international effort to the crisis in Myanmar by address the root cause on conflict with condition for the safe and defeat rate of a person by conflict. The government of Saudi Arabia pays great attention to crisis that befell Rohingya Muslims because it is based on religious obligation and humanitarian solidarity. Thank you.
Okay, thanks for the legal opinion. Next, Senegal.
Thank you. After the outbreak of the latest spate of violence against the Rohingya on August 25, 2017, various human rights organizations blocked the press and conduct research on indication of crime against humanity there. The military assisted by Buddhist group has been proven to have carried out attack on village occupied by Rohingya and carried out massacres, rape, and sexual violence, as well as mass burning of Rohingya properties. The attack carried out by the military were analyzed as systematic and widespread attack. This incident showed that there are violations of respect for humanity rights and crimes against humanity as regulation in international law. The military, assisted by the indigenous Buddhist population, have committed serious crimes by perpetrating systematic violence, as well as serious discrimination against ethnic minorities. Islamic Solidarity country affiliated with Islamic Organization Corporation (OIC), like Senegal, certainly have a sense of solidarity with Rohingya Muslims. So Senegal fully support intervention to stop violence against Rohingya in Myanmar. Senegal emphasizes that Senegal strongly condemns all violence against the Rohingya tribe and also urges the Myanmar government section stop military attack. Senegal also urged the United Nations Security Council to immediately establish a body to find evidence of human rights violence and crimes against humanity as a stepping stone before taking more decisive. Senegal is an active member of the OIC according to the collective statement in organization at the United Nations Security Council Forum. We express concerned over acts of violence with the level of ethnic cleansing carried out by government security forces against Rohingya. And together with the Myanmar government make an official statement regarding the loss of life and Rohingya refugees stop violence, urging the government to accept the United Nations funding mission tasked with conducting investigation into alleged violence of international human rights. Thank you.
Okay, thanks for the legal opinion. Next, Singapore.
I am Sri Bintang Pamungkas from delegation Singapore. Conflict between the Rohingya and Rakhine ethnic group in Myanmar has continued since 1991. A number of factors were the initial trigger for the protected conflict, from rape to discrimination against minority to issue of national unity. The Rohingya is discriminated against in part because of their different identities. Unlike other ethnic groups, the Myanmar government does not recognize Rohingya as citizens, but as immigrants coming from Singapore. Recent political development in Myanmar are sure to further complicate the situation in Rakhine State, and the initiation of effort to repatriate these displaced persons. In addition to the local challenges of the COVID-19 pandemic and armed ethnic insurgency. However, it remains important that the repatriation of the displaced person be voluntary, safe, dignified, and sustainable. It will take time to reach a long-term political solution in Myanmar, as in the Rakhine State in particular. We hope that all parties will consider the urgent humanitarian needs of displaced persons, both in terms of assistance and the need to improve conditions. It will take time to reach a long-term political solution in Myanmar, as in the Rakhine State in particular. We hope that all parties will consider the urgent humanitarian needs of displaced persons, both in terms of assistance and the need to improve conditions. ASEAN will continue the continued implementation of the Initial Needs Assessment recommendation to alleviate the suffering of the refugees. Our private sector and community organizations have also stepped forward, raising funds to meet the material needs of those in refugee camp. All ASEAN member states are expected to uphold the goal and principle enshrined in the ASEAN Charter and ASEAN Declaration of Human Rights. However, we cannot force any ASEAN member state to abide by it. ASEAN operates on the principle of consensus and non-interference in the internal affairs of ASEAN member states, which are also enshrined in the ASEAN Charter. All ASEAN member states are expected to uphold the goal and principle enshrined in the ASEAN Charter and the ASEAN Declaration. Thank you.
Okay, thanks for the legal opinion. Next, Thailand.
Okay, thank you for the time. Good afternoon, our honorable chair and distinguished delegates. Thailand, which is a member of the international community, has agreed to uphold international law and has done so in accordance with the provision of the aforementioned regulation. Even though Thailand hasn't ratified the 1951 Convention or the 1967 Protocol, it has become one of the nations that emphasizes the importance of human solidarity in advancing the rights of the underprivileged and the protection of human life for the Rohingya conflict refugees. This is the truth despite Thailand's lack of ratification of these agreements. The Rohingya have successfully entered Thailand have, for the most part, been living outside of Pentagon-style camps and inclusion. Because of this, they have begun to ask Thailand's government for assistance. Thailand government start talking special measure against the Rohingya ethnic in the year 2004. In addition to preventing the ethnic Rohingya from receiving any assistance from the Thai government or the UNHCR, the aforementioned policy does not provide space for the ethnic Rohingya to engage in lawful employment in Thailand. Thailand government has acknowledged the current crisis in trade with various R2P initiatives, including those listed below. Initially, temporary shelter, Thailand alerts the world to the current humanitarian crisis by sending humanitarian aid to Rohingya in the 9 and Thailand-Myanmar border camps. In addition to providing health care in border camps, the aforementioned implementation complies with international minimum standard for settlements. Thailand, using in relation to the Rohingya issue, the first step involved conducting in search and rescue operation for Rohingya migrants who were trapped in the water. The second involved conducting coordinated patrols of the water and providing evacuation facilities when Rohingya camp was spotted. The third is provide humanitarian aid such as shelter, food, medical care, and other necessity to Rohingya migrants trapped in the territory of three nations. The fourth is intensify collaboration and coordination with UNHCR and IOM and in identification and verification of migrants, including by looking for potential host nation for resettlement. The fifth is to approve the day's worth of funds from the Asian Coordinating Center for Humanitarian Assistance or Disaster Management. Thank you.
Okay, thanks for the legal opinion. Next, Turkey.
The Rohingya ethnicity is one of the most oppressed ethnicity in the world according to data from the United Nations. They are treated humanly expelled from their homes, raped and massacred in the Rohingya case with Myanmar that is happening today. The Turkish state strongly defends Rohingya. Turkey's effort to help the Rohingya is extraordinary. This is also an opportunity for them to prove that they are not just talking about humanitarian or human rights issue, but taking action to help those who are discriminated against regarding human rights. There was a riot in Myanmar in June 2012, which then caused an extraordinary reaction on the international scene, one of which was Turkey paying attention to the ethnicity. The Turkish government told the Minister of Foreign Affairs Ahmet Davutoglu on August 8, 2012 to provide assistance to the Rohingya Muslim amounting to 4 million lira. The Turkish government also sent a delegation to the refugee camp to provide direct assistance in the form of food for the Rohingya. Led by the Prime Minister wife Emin on November 2012, the next aid that will be provided by the Turkish government is to build 3 emergency hospitals for Muslims in the city camp. But the 3 hospitals are not fully used by Muslims. One hospital will be built close to the Muslim camp, another in Buik camp, and the last to be set up in the city. The OIC is in contact with the United Nations, the Human Rights Council, the United Nations, the European Union, and the international organization, including ASEAN, to stop the humanitarian crisis in Myanmar. Thank you.
Okay, thanks for the legal opinion. Next, USA.
Thank you for the opportunity. Basically, in the conflict that occurred in Myanmar, the conflict has gone beyond the law to resolve the conflict, but it has not found a point of light. The United States of America is helping to support the victim of atrocity and other vulnerable people in need. With this new funding, our total humanitarian aid for those affected by the crisis in Burma, Bangladesh, and elsewhere in region since the brutal violence by the Burmese military in against 2017 is more than $1.3 billion, including more than $1.1 billion for program inside Bangladesh. Given the tremendous funding for this crisis, we welcome the contribution that some member states have made to this humanitarian response in recent months. We encourage the broader international community to do more and urge other countries and stakeholders to contribute as well. The United States of America recognizes the cost and responsibility that response has placed on host countries, especially Bangladesh. We will continue to support all countries in the region that prioritize protection of Rohingya refugees. We continue to advocate for the right of Rohingya and urge inclusion in discussion about future. We also continue to underscore
the need for unhindered humanitarian access to all people requiring assistance in Burma, we urge Bangladesh to take steps to protect refugees, particularly at this time, for increased rights to them and not create conditions that will force them to return a country where they call for persecution and violence. The United States of America is committed to promoting peace, security, and respect for the human rights and human dignity of all people in Burma, including Rohingya. Thank you.
Okay, USA, thanks for the legal opinion. Next, United Arab Emirates.
Okay, thank you, Jets. I'm Mega Adifa Putri from the United Emirates Arab Delegation. Here I will convey the response of the United Emirates Arab regarding Rohingya in Myanmar. The UEA has renewed its call to the international community to reduce the suffering of refugees and preserve their human dignity amid the increasing chaos they face. Her Excellency Rem Al-Hashimi, Minister of State for International Cooperation, affirmed at the donor conference for Rohingya refugees, sponsored by the United States of America, the European Union, the United Kingdom, and the United Nations, that the UEA has addressed the issue of Rohingya refugees since the beginning of the crisis by supporting international diplomatic effort and humanitarian response plans. Her Excellency explained the UEA official did not hesitate to visit Cox's Bazar camp in the People's Republic of Bangladesh to learn about humanitarian project there and show support for Bangladesh, as Bangladesh has hosted an increasing number of Rohingya refugees fleeing persecution in the country. They also discussed why to address the root cause of the crisis which affect the Islamic world, where many humanitarian crises are unfortunately concentrated. Her Excellency noted need to find a solution to crisis as well as other humanitarian crises, as the COVID-19 pandemic has encouraged the suffering of refugees and displaced persons everywhere and created a new economic reality for many countries. Therefore, there is now a greater need to rank priority and increase the effectiveness of assistance to those in need. UEA assistance to Rohingya refugees has covered many important areas such as supporting women and children as the most vulnerable population and focusing on sectors such as food, nutrition, health, education, and environmental sanitation. Moreover, numerous projects have been carried out the Cox's Bazar Rohingya refugee camp in the People's Republic of Bangladesh. Last year, in the UAE, launched a national fundraising campaign to support Rohingya women and children, in which 20 humanitarian, relief, and charitable institutions in the UEA took part, with more than 65 million dirham donation. I think that enough. Thank you.
Okay, thanks for the legal opinion. Next, Venezuela.
Okay, thank you. The selfishness of the Myanmar government, which does not recognize the existence of the Rohingya ethnicity in Myanmar, has led to human rights violations against Rohingya people. As a result of the conflict, tens of thousands of Rohingya were displaced to other countries, including Indonesia. The existence of the 1982 citizenship law, which made the ethnic Bengali Rohingya residents not recognized for the citizenship, made their faithful of uncertainty, and even they often received sadist treatment from the Myanmar military junta as looting, burning alive, disgusting of residents, and house of worship, rape, and murder. Arbitrarily, throughout of Operation Techmate in 1990, cultural discrimination by the government, the population of Myanmar has never recognized the ethnic Bengali Rohingya is ethnic. They regard that Arakan Muslim, Burmese Muslim, or Bangladesh of Burma are named spin to the Rohingya as an object ridiculed as a sovereign country, and Myanmar has an obligation to provide legal protection for its citizens. The Myanmar government must take immediate steps to resolve this case, alleged human rights violence against and Rohingya people in order to respect and protect human rights. Okay, thank you for attention.
Thanks for the legal opinion. Next, Vietnam.
Thank you for the opportunity. My name is Julpikar from Delegation Vietnam. Permission to express legal opinion. ASEAN space obstacle in fulfilling its role in dealing with ethnic Rohingya refugees. The Vietnam War, which took place in the 50s to the late 70s, caused a larger influx of refugees. The majority of whom then numbered around 250,000 people in other countries were housed. Like Myanmar, in this case, the conflict happened in Myanmar that caused the emergence of Rohingya refugees to become an internal problem for Myanmar. And after the Myanmar amendment come out, thousands of Rohingya people become stranded, and to that is after being there earlier by ship crew had fled Myanmar. After a session debate response, they released the urgent till discuss solution to the refugee influx and security issues around the responsibilities, and that is to their local communities. The Vietnam government to provide basic foodstuff mean the present record deal of the sum of 1 billion that has been handed over to the Rohingya refugees who come from Vietnam, but on the other hand, the state of Vietnam did not provide solution for other countries that also needed help. It seemed that they were not paying attention, what has become displayed attitude of ASEAN member countries in dealing with problem. Destroying a refugees point of the ASEAN community as a vision of community that is still something imaginary. Okay, thank you.
Thanks for the legal opinion. Next, Yaman.
Thank you for your time. My name is Nutran Suraputra. I will present Yemen's legal opinion regarding the Rohingya conflict in Myanmar. Al-Qaeda senior leader in Yemen calls for attack on Myanmar authorities. Al-Qaeda calls this attack as a form of support for the Rohingya Muslim minority who are oppressed in the country. The call for attack was made by Al-Qaeda in the Arabian Peninsula in a video message released by the group's media foundation Al-Malahim and reported by the US-based militant monitoring organization site. In the video message, senior Al-Qaeda in the Arabian Peninsula leader Khalid Batarfi called on Muslims in Bangladesh, India, Indonesia, and Malaysia to support the Rohingya against the enemies of Allah. The 5 generals concerned are eligible to be summoned or tried for the crime of genocide. Thank you.
Thanks for the legal opinion. Next, India.
Okay, thank you. Suari Putranto from Delegation India. India has rejected the position of the United Nations that deporting the Rohingya is a violation of the principle of international law. Refoulements, sending refugees back to places where they face danger. The Indian government has deported 7 Rohingya Muslims to Myanmar because the Rohingya are considered illegal immigrants and pose a security risk. As a result, he has ordered thousands of those living in secret tenements to be indicted and deported. India rejects the presence of the Rohingya because the Rohingya are theoretical and read combatants if they remain in India. Okay, thank you. If they remain in India. Okay, thank you.
Thanks, Indian, for legal opinion. Okay, our representatives of state delegation have submitted legal opinion. Then I return in the presiding judge to continue the trial.
Okay, thank you. Then voting for country that agree that the Rohingya are discrimination, agree and Myanmar and countries that don't agree with this. Is Judge 1 to lead the voting?
Thank you, the President Judge, because our country have given their argument against the Rohingya issue in Myanmar. Next, its vote. Extant delegation that follow the third of the discussion of an international organization regarding the issue of its Rohingya in Myanmar. Where in this vote, we can find out which type delegation are the pros and cons of this problem. The process in implementation of voting is that a state delegation answer according to the delegation of the respect country. If the delegation of country I is pro, the answer pro, so it is with cons. Strike of the country, Argentina.
Argentina, pro.
Next, Australia.
Yeah, Australia pro.
Next, Bangladesh.
Bangladesh pro.
Next, Belgium.
Belgium pro.
Next, Bosnia.
Bosnia pro.
Next, Brunei Darussalam.
Brunei pro.
Next, Canada.
Canada pro.
Next, Cambodia.
Yes, pros.
Next, China.
Cons.
Next, Denmark.
Denmark pro.
Next, Mesir.
Mesir pro.
Next, Prancis.
France pro.
Next, Gambia. Gambia. Okay, next, Germany.
Germany pro.
Next, India.
India pro.
Next, Indonesia.
Indonesia pro.
Next, Iran.
Iran pro.
Next, Iraq.
Iraq pro.
Next, Italy.
Italy pro.
Next, Japan.
Japan pro.
Next, Lebanon.
Lebanon pro.
Next, Malaysia.
Malaysia pro.
Next, Maldives.
Maldives pro.
Next, Myanmar.
Myanmar cons.
Next, Nepal.
Nepal pro.
Next, New Zealand.
Pro.
Next, Pakistan.
Pakistan.
Next, Panama.
Panama pro.
Next, Philippines.
Philippine pro.
Next, Qatar.
Qatar pro.
Next, Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia pro.
Next, Senegal.
Senegal pro.
Next, Singapore.
Singapore pro.
Next, Thailand.
Thailand pro.
Next, Turkey.
Turkey pro.
Next, America.
USA pro.
Next, United Arab Emirates.
United Arab Emirates pro.
Next, Venezuela.
Venezuela pro.
Next, Vietnam.
Vietnam pro.
Next, Yemen.
Yemen pro.
Okay, but because that part has been cut out and alright, now which country are the pro and cons of the Rohingya problem in Myanmar? Namely, there are 38 pro countries and 2 contra countries. It is over this why I found it to play panel of judges.
Okay, thanks. After voting by each country's delegation, so here I ask a representative from the state delegation for the pro and cons team to explain the description of the solution that will later be a solution to the Rohingya problem in Myanmar. Who will represent to the pro team's delegation? Hello. Who will represent to the team's delegation? Malaysia. Yes, please explain.
Okay, thank you. The first solution that must be done is to stop the violence against the Rohingya, and people who are indicated to have committed criminal act from any camp must still undergo a criminal process. After that, stop the discrimination process as well and give recognition of Myanmar citizenship to the Rohingya. Thank you.
Okay, thanks for the solution description. Furthermore, from the contrast team delegation, who will represent?
Okay, thanks. Ladies and gentlemen, solution from China. First, we must hold and severe to restore government and stability so that citizens can stop evacuation and live in peace. The next step is that all parties must assist in the consultation on the repatriation of refugees from Bangladesh to Myanmar on the basis of equality. The last stake, the world must help the development of the Rohingya region. Thank you.
Okay, thanks for the solution description. Then I will return it to the presiding judge. Thanks.
Okay. After hearing from all state representatives to submit legal opinion on the problem that is being discussed and based on the result of the voting that has been taken, namely 38 countries for against the Rohingya and 2 countries against the Rohingya. For that reason, in this Congress, it was determined that based on the result of the voting and broadly speaking what is taken, the decision of the UN show on the Rohingya conflict in Myanmar took the form of a resolution calling for Myanmar to stop inciting hate against a minority and other minority group. Calls on Myanmar to protect our group and ensure justice for our victims of human rights violation. If Myanmar does not hit the resolution, it can be subject to sanction in the form of economic sanction, education, and state relation. So that the state of Myanmar is cooperative and open the takes steps to strengthen it by taking action to ratify international human rights law agreement. For convince releasing the improvement of human civilization related to world security and peace. Thank you.
Well, we can conclude that the Rohingya discrimination conflict in Myanmar must be stopped in order to protect and ensure justice for all victims of human rights violation and also to facilitate the realization of the improvement of human civilization and realization toward safety and peace. Well, thank you for completing the conflict of our topic today. Also, thank you for the judges and all participants from all countries who were present today. Thank you so much. So, to end our meeting today, I would say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.